If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you gave Cameron a cookie.
By Zenalis. And illustrated by
Cameron Wiggins. If you gave Cameron a cookie, he'll want some ice cream to go with it. Once he gets ice cream, he'll want to crumble the cookie into the ice cream. And when he eats it all, he'll be full. Once he's full, he'll feel tired. When he's tired, he'll go to sleep. And once he goes to sleep, he wakes up energized. When he's energized, he'll want to play. When he's playing, he'll want some friends to play with. Once he and his friends start playing, they will get tired and hungry. Then Cameron will hold up to a tasty cookie and all his friends, and he will eat the cookie.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Cameron Wiggins likes to play his games. He does not have a trampoline, but he does have a dog. He is living with his grandma and grandpa. When he wants to be an adult, he will be a YouTuber. He loves ice cream. His mom is 26 years old, his dad is 28 years old, and Cameron is 8 years old.